Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 2014 Toyota Corolla. She has 123,000 miles on the odometer. She came to me today with a bunch of services. But between discussing all of that, I understood from the owner that he did his own engine air filter. And he said, please, if you can check the cabin air filter, and if it's dirty, go ahead and replace it. So it's obvious he is willing to do some services himself. And that reminds me that one of the reasons I'm having this channel is to encourage owners to work on their own vehicles. So in this video I will film something so simple like a cabin air filter replacement. So let's go look together where is the location of that cabin air filter housing. And as usually on Toyotas, it's behind the glove box, which is in the passenger feet area. And as usually, it's very easy to replace this. I recently did GMC Yukon. It was also in the same location, but the engineers didn't make it very easy. There was a paneling which you had to replace before you will get to the filter housing. So look, here I will be removing this support. It's a support arm which is slowing down. It's like a shock. It's slowing down. We're supposed to do that. The opening of the glove box. So I will undo that. And that's, yeah, how can we show it without damaging anything? This way. This is how you undo it. You just grab it and it lets you to pull it off like that. Do you see that? Now it's disconnected from here and I can continue with removing that entire glove box. Try to set up the light the best way so you can see everything. So I will need to reach in front of you. I will be pushing these two part of glove box inside to clear the tabs which are on the sides. After that I can grab this whole thing and move it towards to you. And that will disconnect the clamps or the hooks which are right here. And now you should be able, I hope you do, to see the glove box, cabin air filter housing. Do you see it? I think so, but I will still move you so you can see even better. Filming these things, it's always funny because I'm getting right in your way because I need to get there. So there is a tab here and I pushed it in and that led me to remove this door. Don't ever lose it. Sometimes people come with the vehicle which is missing this door. I can see the cabin air filter right here, but without this door the whole system doesn't work correctly. So please never lose it, always put it back. So now I can grab that cabin air filter, remove it out, and aha, I can see there's a lot of dirt in those fins right inside. So we will be definitely replacing this one, and I'm glad I'm filming it. Here you can see the difference between the brand new one, absolutely clean, and this was the older one which has a lot of dirt inside. We live in the very wet area. There can be a black mold in it, so definitely, since he mentioned it, we will put the new one in. Let's see if I can show it all without getting in your way. Fortunately, in this case I really can use only one hand. It's pretty easy. But I was saying about a GM, there was another panel with a lot of screws. I'm not sure why they had it there. Maybe they're so fancy, I don't know. Toyota, it's typical this way. If the vehicle is equipped with the cabin air filter, it's simple to get to it like this. You can see, it even shows you, the maker shows up Up is up. It cannot be done differently. Correct? Now, here on the left, right here, it's a tab which is not clickable. It will be introduced in its bracket. So I have to basically put it to the left. That's how it starts. Right there. And now it will click. The tab will lock right here where are my fingers. Listen to that. Yep. And I can see it doesn't want to come off. So the housing is fully enclosed. This is fantastic. Now what I have to do is correctly engage these areas. Hopefully you can see it. With the bottom of that glove box. That sometimes might be giving a hard time to the people. But if you don't do it on the first time correctly, just try one more time. Of course, the problem is with stuff falling off that glove box. But look at it. I'm trying to engage the bottoms. I'm feeling it if it's correctly done. Oh yeah, this is it. Now I will force it in. And it clicked. Now on the side here I can hook that little part. It's the opposite than removal. And now look at that. This was actually correct way. And this is that slowing mechanism. Yeah. So we have it correctly installed. This is engaged as it was in the beginning. And the whole glove box perfectly is matching. If you did a mistake on these tabs on the bottom, then you will have it crooked and you will have to retry one more time. But we are done here. Interesting detail. Not sure if you can read it. It's too much light maybe. It says cross-track. I believe these are mats from Subaru. And since we are already in this area, what else you can find in this area of the glove box? Let me show you. It's not visible when the glove box is closed, but check this out when I open it. On 2014 Corolla, what do you see there? There is a button, it's a set, and it shows some weird picture. Well, that's weird only for newbies. You experts, you know, this is a tire. It's a picture of tire and the pressure inside. So basically that's a button to reinitiate the tire pressures, reset the tire pressures after you maybe changed your tire pressures. So this vehicle, it's either 30 or 30 psi, but if you have changed them and you will have that warning light in the instrument cluster, this is the place where you should follow your owner's manual and take care of the business. So it's a little hidden area here behind the glove box door. I really hope you find this video helpful for your Toyota maintenance. If you do, please give it a thumb up. You subscribe, have notifications on so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.